Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to fix Roblox not launching error. So firstly, in your Windows, you have to go to the settings menu, click on settings. Now in the settings menu, you have to go to apps. And now in the app search panel, type Roblox Player. Now left click on it and click on uninstall. Then click on uninstall again. And after a few moments, it will uninstall successfully. After you have uninstalled Roblox, go to your desktop again. Then you have to open command prompt. After opening command prompt, you have to enter a few codes to successfully uninstall Roblox. So firstly, you have to type cd space appdata/local, then hit enter. Now type rmdir/s space Roblox, then hit enter. After that, press Y to confirm and hit enter again. Now Roblox directory has been successfully removed from your PC. Now click on exit. And after that, you have to install Roblox again. So go to your browser and type Roblox. Then click on download Roblox app. Now click on download Windows app and save it anywhere in your PC. After that, you have to open the file. So go to your desktop. Then double click and run. Now after some time, Roblox will start installing, and after the installation is complete, you will be able to play Roblox again without any issues. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.